Section 2. You will hear a coordinator explaining the components of a new hydroponic gardening system to volunteers. First, you have some time to look at questions 11 to 15. Now listen carefully and answer questions 11 to 15.
Right, gather round everyone. Now, before you start planting, you need to understand the equipment. We've replaced the old soil beds with these new, HydroGrow, vertical towers. They look a bit like spaceships, don't they? But they are actually quite simple if you know what you're looking at. Let's start from the ground up. The entire unit rests on a heavy, rectangular foundation. You might think this is just a stand to keep it upright, but it's actually the nutrient reservoir. It holds about 40 liters of water mixed with organic feed. Make sure this is always topped up to the red line, otherwise, the whole system dries out. Now, how does the water get from that bottom tank up to the plants? Well, hidden inside that base, you can't see it from the outside, but it's submerged right at the bottom of the water, is a submersible pump. It's distinct from the external air pumps we used to use. This one pushes water straight up the central internal pipe. If you hear a grinding noise, it usually means this component is clogged. Controlling the flow is vital. On the exterior of the base, on the right-hand side, you'll notice a small digital interface. It looks like a thermostat. That is the cycle timer. We used to have manual switches, but this digital version lets us program exactly when the water flows. Don't touch the buttons unless the screen is flashing red. Moving up the tower itself, you can see the main vertical cylinder. Dotted all around the cylinder are small, protruding cups where the vegetation actually sits. We technically call these planting pods. In the manual, they are listed as growth cups, but please refer to them as pods in your logbooks. You simply slot the seedlings directly into them. Finally, right at the top. Since these are indoor units, we can't rely on sunlight. Extending from the cap of the tower, you'll see two long, adjustable arms. These hold the LED arrays. It's crucial you don't call them heat lamps. They don't produce heat, only light spectrums for photosynthesis. If they get too hot, you've set them up wrong. Quote,